Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin inside the document header so you can control numbering. Double-click the top of the page to open header and footer view. Once done, make sure you can see section breaks. If the first page or odd/even pages need different numbering, turn on different first page or different odd and even. You're doing this now because page numbers attach to headers. Without accessing the header, you can't unlink or remove numbers cleanly. Locate the section where the unwanted numbers start. You must break the connection between sections before removing numbers. Click Link to Previous in the Header and Footer tab to toggle it off for that section. This prevents changes from cascading. Next, click the page number in that section's header or footer and press Delete to remove only those numbers. If you prefer renumbering rather than deleting, use page number format to set Start, At, or Continue from Previous. This preserves other sections' numbering while altering just the targeted area. Finish by checking the whole document in print layout to confirm removed numbers didn't reappear. Update all fields with Ctrl plus then F9 so page counts refresh. Make sure section starts and manual page breaks aren't forcing a number. If a number still persists, reopen headers in each section and verify Link to Previous is off, and delete any stray page number fields. As a final tip, save a copy before big changes, so you can revert if unlinking moves numbering unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.